Hello everyone, my name is Elizabeth, a student of Macquarie University. Together with my colleague Mutawa Joseph, we're going to present to you the Handwritten-recognition artificial intelligence system. The reason we chose this system or this project is that writers, students, and scholars spend much time converting their handwritten notes into soft copies and most of the times make errors. In the background and accountability, this project focuses on creation of an advanced character recognition system capable of both text and sketch diagram recognition. In other words, it can as well recognize the sketch diagrams. Then accountability refers to the need to justify the activities and actions of the artificial intelligence system that we are developing. We have stages, and the first one is the design stage. Here we shall articulate the objectives of the system, goals and the underlying assumptions. Then the development, here we shall define the technical requirements of the system. We shall collect and process data and then build the character recognition model. Then deployment, this stage shall have accountability ensured by the actions of piloting the project, validating its compatible status with other computer systems besides our own computing devices. It's like, shall this software be able to work on all the computer devices, not only one? Then monitoring, it's the last stage of the artificial intelligence life cycle, and here we shall from time to time monitor and assess our system's output, like the functionality of the functionality of the software and their effects on the users. Then the project significance. This project highlights the challenges and pitfalls in the current character recognition softwares that are already on market. And for our system, it suggests some improvements that can be done and their implementation. Then the project scope. This handwritten notes recognition system shall provide an enhanced software tool to enable users to perform efficient recognition for text, handwritten text, and sketch diagrams in all sorts of documents. Statement of the problem. This project focuses on alleviating the challenge of vast amounts of time spent in conversion of handwritten text into software copy by typing through the keyboard. Then we have the artificial intelligence research questions, and our first question is that, can machine learning be applied to improve the process of creating documents? And the other one is that, how can machine learning be applied to reduce the amount of time spent in creation of documents from handwritten notes? Then our last research question is that, how do we apply artificial intelligence and machine learning to obtain high definition and quality diagrams from sketch diagrams without need of extra diagramming software tools? And we have the hypothesis. A well-trained machine learning model shall be more efficient, quick and effective at conversion of handwritten documents into soft copy. The other one is that a machine learning model can be trained to create an enhanced and unique diagram from sketched paper drawings without further use of software diagramming tools. Then the AI research objectives are to identify the major challenges faced in the field of professional documentation and develop a machine learning model to alleviate them. Then the other objectives is that we have to identify the current optical character recognition solution in use, their weaknesses, and come up with a solution to improve them. And I'll end there, and the rest of the work shall be presented to you by my colleague.
Welcome back once again to this YouTube channel. My name is Joseph. I'll take you through the rest of the work. Now, our dataset for our project, our dataset is obtained from a website called Cargo, and the link to the dataset is here and shall also be provided in the YouTube description just down there. Now, this dataset contains two classes, that's forms of folders, train folder and a validation folders. So these shall be used to train and validate our system. Then the dataset comprises of all images of handwritten characters for the English alphabet system, both lowercase and uppercase, and also numbers plus some special characters. Now, just being more specific, each of the images is a 32 by 32 bit pixel, black and white images, and these shall constitute our handwritten character dataset, which shall be used to train and test our model. Now, I'll talk about the methodology we're going to apply in both projects. Here we describe our proposed model of the recognition system, and it comprises of a series of stages, and these include data acquisition, pre-processing, segmentation, classification, and post-processing. Now, image data acquisition. Here, the recognition system acquires the scanned character images as input images in the format of the .jpg. As you know, the JPG denotes image files, which shall be acquired through various devices such as digital camera, scanner, and various other sources. Now, in the stage of data preprocessing, here a series of operations are performed on the scanned images in order to enhance them and render them ready for segmentation. Now, the various operations are as follows. In the first place, the scanned images are input into the system, then that's followed by process of noise removal and the process of binarization. Now, at binarization here, I mean the grayscale images are turned into binary images by means of the global thresholding technique. And then after that follows the action of edge detection, then dilation plus filling. Now, in dilation, dilation of edges is done using the Sobel technique. Additionally, filling of holes in the binarized image is achieved here, and these operations produce the pre-processed image which is suitable for segmentation. Now, you may wonder what's segmentation. Let me go to it. Now, in segmentation, here the image containing multiple characters is decomposed into a series of sub-images, each of which shall consist of a single character, and then assigning a number to each of these characters, which gives information about the number of characters in the original image, and this assignment of numbers is achieved in the aid of the labeling process. After this, each individual character image is converted into 30 by 20 pixels on a uniform scale. That's segmentation. Next, we shall go to the stage of classification and recognition. Now, the classification stage is a decision maker of the character recognition system. Just know every artificial intelligence system must have a decision maker. So for our case, it's this stage where decision making is made. This is accomplished by the convolutional neural network which you are going to deploy and which classifies and recognizes the handwritten characters. The convolutional neural network consists of the input layer, the hidden layers, and the output layers. And these work together, or they work in tandem in order to accomplish this great work. Now, the last stage is post-processing. This is the final stage that brings the recognized character images into a well-structured format text by calculating the corresponding American Standard Code for Information Interchange, or brief ASCII value, making use of the recognition index of the test samples. This I'll talk of the evaluation. Now, for our project, evaluation shall be based on character error rate and word error rate. Of course, now these are metrics which predict the percentage of text in the handwritten notes that are incorrectly recognized by the model. Now, character error rate calculation is defined from the Levin-Stein distance in such a way that the lowest value of character level operation is obtained and used to convert text image into the recognized soft copy ASCII value. ASCII has already defined its American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Now, for the word error rate, there is changing of the handwritten character images into words with meaning. And that shall form the base part of our model evaluation. Moving on, We shall acknowledge Mr. Galiwango and Madame Rose, and these are lecturers here at Macquarie University who have prompted and guided and ensured the success of this work. And here I present some of the references, some where we got some of our research. And if you want, you can get them, and shall provide some of them also in the YouTube description. Don't forget to subscribe and like, comment, meet in the future. Thanks very much for watching.